नया बाउली मूनफिल्स, सॉफ्ट, क्रीमी, डिलिशियस। मन करे तो मूनफिल्स।
136th anniversary of Unitarianism was celebrated in Shillong. The program was organized at Unitarian Church of Madan Laban, where Excise Minister Kyrmen Shylla was the chief guest. Legislator Sanbor Shullai was the guest of honor. The Unitarian Movement, led by Hajom Kissor Singh, is a socio-religious movement in the Khasi-Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya which emerged at such a time. Like most religious denominations in the world, Unitarianism is centered around an individual, Hajom Kissor Singh Nongabri, who witnessed the changes happening around him. When society was undergoing rapid changes, Hajom Kissor spread his ideas. He established the Unitarian Movement in Khasi-Jaintia Hills on the 18th September 1887.
I could play your moderator, the Kongsan Jungi Rangba Kyrmen Shylla, Minister Hajom Kissor Singh, ya Sambut Kongsan, Emily Baid, Jamaica Thai, Sanbor Shullai, Yaki Paranoishim Benta Barho, Yaki Kot, Committee Balang, Ya Barho Ki Parabanet, Ibahin Hasem, Baki Parlok Kumju, Ibaidan Lam, Hakani kaying berkentang ban rakyat pendon yang anniversary bersispat lai penriu kabalang Unitarian hati ni time rilung Khasi-Jaintia Hills Anglang.
Nangis sen kita macam tu bila pensiun ini, sebelum kita bila le ten jobi, indang bayi kita jobi, tapi dang la susu banjiri ya ki pai ba jobi konstituensi jobi berkamtam nang kita joni kita menjadi lagi. Na aku dulu ya iba dani lanse I moderator Kyrmen Shylla I pastor Derek Pariat ibadat shu detsam dengan kubur shonsbai hakni ke no pasni ki kenren kilundang ki nongkikam jo Unitarian Union Northeast India ki nongyelam niam doper nilai ishun hidon hami dak kuburong ai kuli kelum lang ibaro ai but section part di paro ki wan shagini gen jinglang jui kubleshi boli mentang sin nam don jing kren di bangan pesniu ni ban pesniu tena di le tang ka wei ka bangan ai pesniu ki jing pesniu ni kang ba jing kam ta ma ni jing sing ka wei ka pun siu tu yo na ni yo ka singa buka namar bun sen ni politician ni kren ha ki platform ba per andre ha ko yi mani long ka ba Ni ingin hap usia apa yang dikeren juga ting ting yo ingin